Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be going over the new September PNG insert, and I'm also going to be doing a giveaway. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help support this channel. While you're at it, don't forget to leave me your smiles down in the comment section below, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright guys, so first up, I was actually going to do a Dollar General ad preview in this video as well. However, I don't want the video to be too awfully long, and here's really the main reason why I wanted to talk to y'all about the new Dollar General ad. Because I wanted to go ahead and give y'all a heads up that the PNG spin deal is coming back to DG starting on Sunday, August the 28th and running through September the 10th. So we have 2 weeks full of amazing spin deals to look forward to. We have some really awesome coupons that are going to be paired up with this deal. Plus, we can double dip and pair it with the 5 off 25s on Saturday. So y'all already know my gears are turning, and your girl is going to have you covered. So make sure that you turn on those notifications because you're not going to want to miss out on these deals. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at these inserts. Now, like I said at the beginning of the video, we are going to go over the new September PNG insert, and I'm also doing a giveaway in this video. So y'all need to make sure that you watch all the way through because I'm going to have the rules of the giveaway popping up on the screen as we go throughout this video, alright? So, first up, for the winners, I'm going to be choosing 2 winners to receive 2 of the new September PNG inserts, alright? So both people will receive 2 PNG inserts. Then I'm also going to throw in last week's Smart Source because that's just how my newspapers do us around here. Sometimes we get like a week behind, a week ahead. You just never know. And then sometimes we're just on time. So I'm going to throw in the Smart Source from last week because there are some pretty good coupons in there. And then also the Save insert from this week. There's not a whole lot in here. It's a pretty small little insert, but I'm going to throw it in there as well. So we've got some Excedrin, Advil, and then on the back some eye drops. So whoever wins, you're also going to get the Save and the Smart Source from last week. I think there's like a free Airwick warmer coupon in there. There's some pretty good ones. Anyways, alright, so let's go ahead and talk about the new PNG. We have a lot of coupons, a lot of really high value coupons, and they are going to be great to pair up with that spin deal. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look and see what we've got. Now, like I said, y'all watch the video all the way through because I'm going to be popping up the rules of the giveaway as we go throughout this video. They're pretty easy, and I'm sure a lot of you guys already do it just because, but those are going to be the rules, alright? So, first up, we have Cascade, 2 off 1 for the dishwasher tablets, 1 off 1 for the rinse aid. This is going to be a hot ticket item. Buy 1 of the Dawn Power Wash or Gain Power Blast dish sprays and get the refill for free. Let me know down in the comments who remembers the last time that we received this coupon and that amazing glitch that we had at Dollar General. That was absolutely crazy. For those of you who don't know, we received a DG store coupon and a manufacturer coupon, basically making 2 of these almost free. I mean, it was crazy. It was a definite run deal. So this is going to be a hot ticket item, especially with our Gain coupons, right? I may actually use a couple of those today with my 5 off 25s. I haven't made up my mind yet, but we'll have to see what my store has in stock. Alright, so down here at the bottom, here's all of the printable coupons that y'all can get on pngoodeveryday.com. If you all are not signed up for the rewards, I do have a link that'll take you straight there in the description box of this video. Alright, we have 3 off 1 for the Swiffer starter kits. We have 1 off 1 for the Swiffer refills, 1 off 2 for the Mr. Clean products, and 1 off 1 for the Dawn wipes. Over here, we have 50 cents off 1 for the Microban multi-purpose sprays and the sanitizing sprays. Sorry that this is a kind of a weird angle, but my kitchen table is currently covered up right now. So we're just doing what we can with what we got. Alright, now here's a really good page. A couple of really good pages of coupons. So first up, we have buy 1, get 1 free on the Febreze products. So that includes the small spaces and the air fresheners. Hopefully the car clips as well. Then we have 2 off 1 for the Febreze Unstoppables products. That does include like the fabric sprays, the air fresheners, and the small spaces. and possibly the car clips on that one as well. Not quite sure, but it's $2 off, so that's almost half off on those products at Dollar General, if I'm not mistaken. Then down here we have $2.30 off for the Febreze plugs, so the little warmers, and I think those are $3.25 right now as well, so that would work out to be like 95 cents. All right. Up here are some high value coupons that I have not seen in a long time. So we have 3 off 1 for the Charmin products and 3 off 1 for the Bounty products. Now, the thing with this is that it has to be a product that is priced at $25 or more. But like I said, with that spin deal going on at Dollar General this week, we should be able to come up with some really good deals, especially if we pair that and double it up with the 5 off 25 on Saturday, right? All right, moving on down, we have 1 off 2 for the Puffs facial tissues. We have 25 cents off for the Bounty napkins. And y'all don't forget that we are going to be getting a lot of these coupons in digital form on Sunday in our DG accounts, Walgreens accounts, Family Dollar. All of those come out with P&G coupons at the same time that the inserts come out. So over here we have our Crest and Oral-B products. We have 1 off 1 for the mouthwash, 2 off 1 for the manual toothbrushes multi-pack, 5 off 2 for the Burt's Bees adults or kids toothpaste. We have 2 off 1 for the Crest toothpaste multi-pack. We also have a 2 off 2 for the Crest toothpaste singles. Then we have 2 off 1 for the Fixodent twin or triple packs, and a 1 off 1 for the Fixodent singles. Alright. Moving on, we have 5 off 2 for the Always Discreet, 1 off 1 for the Always pads or liners, 1 off 1 for the Always nighttime pads, I'm assuming. Then we have 2 off 1 for the Nervive, 50 cents off 1 for the Voost products. And y'all don't forget to sign up for the P&G Good Everyday Rewards program. If you're not already, it's kind of like Fetch. You scan your receipt, you earn points on P&G products, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So, like I said, I do have a link to the P&G Good Everyday website down in the description box below. Alright, we have Metamucil, 1 off 1, 1 off 1 for the Pepto, 1 off 1 for the Prilosec. We have 3 off 2 for the Vicks Dayquil or NyQuil Sinex. And we also have a 2 off 1 for the Vicks Dayquil, NyQuil, or Sinex. And we have 1 off 1 for the Vicks Vapo product. We also have 5 off 1 for the Olay Regenerist facial moisturizers. We have 1 off 1 for the Olay facial moisturizers. We have 3 off 2 for the Head & Shoulders. 3 off 3 for the Pantene. And a 1 off 1 for the Pantene products. Alright, then we have 1 off 2 for the Olay bar soaps, body washes, all that good stuff. We have a 3 off 1 for the Old Spice dry or body sprays. We have a 1 off 2 for the Old Spice deodorants, body washes, or bar soaps. Over here we have 3 off 1 for the Secret dry spray, 2 off 1 for the Secret aluminum free deodorants, 2 off 1 for the Secret or Gillette clinical deodorants, and 1 off 2 for the Secret or Gillette deodorants. Then on the back here, we have 3 off 1 for the Venus razors. And we have a 2 off 1 for the Venus Smooth or Comfort Glide razor. Then we have a 3 off 1 for the Gillette Skin Guard, Fusion, or Pro Glide razors or refills. And we have a 5 off 1 for the Gillette Labs razors or refills. So there you have it for the new September P&G insert. Alright guys, so if you want to enter to win some of the P&G inserts, all you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that thumbs up button for me. Make sure that your notifications are turned on. That way you will be notified whenever I announce the winners. Also, leave me a comment down below with a big smiling face. I'm really loving seeing all those smiley faces in my comment section of the videos. And then take a second to share. Even if you just share the video to yourself in a text message or an email, hit that share button down below and share out the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.